Hi, General sir.
Hello, good evening to you all.
Sir, we're having you second day running after your visit yesterday. May we know why this discussion?
Well, yesterday's visit was primarily to brief Mr. President on our engagement with the Nigerian National Resident Doctors Association, whom we got the win. We are planning to embark on strike, so we invited them and persuaded them to drop their plan. And sequel to the meeting we had with them, there were a series of conditions that they gave that they felt that we need to share with Mr. President. And that's what brought me yesterday to intimate him of what we have discussed and the agreements so far reached with them and issues that they have raised that are for his attention. And today's visit, as you can see, we are together, the whole leadership of the House is here. Since our election as leaders of the 10th House of Representatives, we didn't come formally to present them to Mr. President. So today we requested for this audience primarily to bring them, to introduce them, for him to get to know them and for them to get to know him. That's just what we are here for.
All right, so despite your intervention on the earlier matter you talked about, they have gone ahead to start the industrial action. What is the next step?
Well, it's a work in progress. I'm sure some of the issues that they have raised, if we can be able to meet some of their expectations halfway, of which we are on it, we already set up an ad hoc committee chaired by the majority leader of the House to look at those issues. I am sure one or two interventions in their areas of concern will prevail on them to come back to the negotiating table and also accept to withdraw that strike action.
Did you any immediate commitment from the President on this?
Yeah, what he said is that he is just coming on board. We should ask them and beg them to please give him a little more time. Most of the things that they mentioned, he is completely unaware of them. He is yet to be briefed about all those issues. But from what he heard from me, he also advised that we should channel all those issues to the Chief of Staff for him to look at them one after the other. So I believe within the next coming days, some concerted actions will be taken.
Beyond the resident doctors strike, the NLC has given a notice too that by August 2nd, they will proceed on strike. What are you going to do to try to arrest that industrial action?
In the same manner, same way, we will also invite them. We'll invite them to come and sit so that we can hear their grievances. And we'll follow the same pattern of engaging them, persuading them to give us a little time to see how we can be able to meet their expectations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.